How to move a 36-inch range with Airsled hover blades. This video is a part of Airsled hover blades video series and will demonstrate how to move a 36-inch range weighing 200 pounds. It will also explain how Airsled spacers can greatly improve hover blades performance. This 200-pound range sits on legs just over an inch off the floor, which provides ample clearance for the hover blade's air beams. Due to this gap, notice the limited lift produced by the Airsled hover blades when inflated. To increase lift for better performance, Airsled spacer sticks are used to close the gap. The spacer sticks are a half-inch thick, and for this scenario, are stacked to close the nearly 1-inch gap to the range's base. With the spacer sticks closing the gap, notice the improved lifting action of the Airsled hover blades. With optimal lifting action due to the spacer sticks, moving this 200-pound range is incredibly easy and safe. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.